individual's physical condition and needs. If you are new to yoga, please consult your doctor before committing yourself to its practice. योग सामान्य शारीरिक एवं मानसिक स्वास्थ्य के लिए एक अभ्यास है जो व्यक्ति की शारीरिक स्थिति और ज़रूरत के अनुसार किया एवं कराया जाता है। यदि आप योग के लिए नए हैं तो अभ्यास से पहले अपने डॉक्टर से परामर्श अवश्य लें।
Slide your legs, feet together. Stretch your arms up above the head. Lengthen your spine. Stretch your arms up. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, release. Gently turning to one side. Stay there for a while. Now come up to the cross leg sitting position for initial prayer. Spine comfortably stretched upward, shoulders relaxed, hands resting on your knees in Chin Mudra. 3 times Om, then initial prayer together. Om. ओम सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम बोलो सदगुरु स्वामी शिवानंद महाराज की जय। स्वामी विष्णुदेवानंद महाराज की जय। ओम नमः शिवाय। Welcome you all in the beginners yoga class. Welcome Vinod ji. She is our today's demonstrator. Let's start our class with deep breathing, long inhalation, comfortable, very slow exhalation. Do according to your capacity, according to your comfort, according to your flexibility. No overstretching, no overexertion. Just do comfortably. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. On 1, 2, 3, 4. Spine straight. Shoulders relax. Inhale. On 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. On 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. On 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. On 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. On 1, 2, 3, 4. Retain. On 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. On 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. On 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. On 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath. On 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale completely. On 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. On 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. On 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath. On 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. On 1, 2, 3, 4. Last set. Inhale. On 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. On 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale completely. On 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. On 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Comfortable breathing. Stretch your spine straight. Shoulders relax. Get ready for the Kapalbhati. Relax. Comfortable breathing first. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. The active exhalation, passive inhalation. When you exhale, abdomen will go back. When we inhale, automatically come forward. When I say 1, you have to exhale. When I say 2, then you have to inhale. So relax, comfortable breathing. Inhale deeply and begin. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. Exhale. Inhale deep. Exhale completely. Empty your lungs. Inhale deeply. Fill your lungs. Exhale completely. Get ready. Final retention. Inhale deeply and hold the breath for 30 seconds comfortably. Exhale, release. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Now stretch your spine straight. Get ready for the Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Right hand in Vishnu Mudra. Left hand in Chin Mudra. Spine straight, shoulders relaxed. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Now place the right thumb on the right nostril. Breathe through left. Inhale on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostril. Exhale right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, right on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath, block the nostrils. Exhale, left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, left on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath, block the nostrils. Exhale, right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, right on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Exhale, left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, left on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostrils. Exhale, right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, right on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Exhale, left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, left on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostrils. Exhale, right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, right on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath, block the nostrils. This is our last retention. Exhale, left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gently drop your right hand on the right knee. Relax, counted breath. Keep your eyes closed. Set your spine straight. Shoulders relax. Draw your mind inward. Enjoy your inner peace. Relax. Relax. Counted breathing. Exhale. Release. Now gently stretching your legs forward and lie down on your back. Relax in Shavasana. Legs apart, arms apart, eyes closed. Relax and countable breath. Relax your toes. Relax your calf muscles. Relax the spine. Relax. Relax the shoulders. Relax the neck, the back of the neck. Relax. Relax breathing. Om. Legs together, feet together. Stretch your arms up above the head. Stretch your spine, arms, hands, stretch. Exhale, release. Turning to one side, come up to the sitting position and then standing position. Get ready for the sun salutation. Come up on the top of the mat. Slightly feet apart. Relax, comfortable breathing. Feel your spine straight, arms relaxed, shoulders relaxed. Relaxed breathing. Get ready for the first round. Feet together. Inhale, exhale, palms together prayer position. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Stretch your spine, hands, arms up. Exhale, bend forward and down. Palms on the mat. Relaxed breathing. Inhale, stretch your right leg back. Look up, arch back. Retain the breath, left leg back. Feet together, body in a push-up position. Look forward. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Toes are tucked in. Inhale, stretch forward and arch back. The cobra position. Look up, arch back. Elbows touching to the ribs. Legs, feet are together. Exhale, heels down. Come up, inverted V position. Try to push your heels more down. Feel the weight on your hands, on the feet. Inhale, left knee down and right foot forward. Right foot between your hands. Look up, arch back. Relax breathing. Exhale, right foot forward. Left foot forward, feet are together. Look to the toes. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Arms, hands up, look to the ceiling. Exhale, release your arms. Relaxed breathing. Get ready for the left stretch. Inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Stretch your hands, arms, shoulders up. Exhale, bend forward and down. Stretch your hips up, palms on the mat. Inhale, stretch the left leg back. Right knee on the mat, arch back, look up. Retain the breath, right leg also back, legs, feet are together. Push your weight forward, look forward, body in a straight line. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Inhale, stretch forward and up, arch back, cobra position. Elbows touching to the ribs. Feet are stretching out. Relaxed breathing. Exhale, push your heels down. Look to the toes. Inverted V position. Inhale, first right knee down. Left foot forward between your hands. Look up, arch back. Push your right thigh on the mat. Inhale, right foot forward. Feet are together, palms are on the mat, chest to the thighs. Inhale, stretch your arms up, up, up to the ceiling. Exhale, release your arms. Relax your arms, shoulders. Relax your breathing. Relax. Get ready for the second round. Right stretch. Inhale, exhale, palms to the prayer position. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Stretch your spine, hands, arms up. Exhale, bend forward and down. Hands, palms on the mat, knees straight. Inhale, stretch your right leg back. Right foot back. Arch back, look up, chin stretching upward. Retain the breath, left leg back. Push-up position, look forward. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat, Sashtang Pranam. Toes are tucked. Inhale, stretch forward. Cobra position, head up, chest up, arch back. Exhale, heels down, inverted V position. Push your heels down. Look to the toes. Inhale, left knee down and right foot forward. Right foot in between your hands. Arch back, look up. Exhale, left foot forward. Feet are together. Look to the toes. Stretch your hips upward. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, release your arms. Relax, comfortable breathing. Get ready for the left stretch. Inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Stretch your spine up, stretch your hands, arms up. Exhale, bend forward and down. Palms on the mat. Hips stretch upward. Inhale, stretch your left leg back. Left knee on the mat. Arch back. Relaxed breathing. Retain the breath. Right leg also back. Legs, feet are together. Push your heels down. Body in a straight line. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Relaxed breathing. Inhale, stretch forward and arch back. Head up, chest up. Arch yourself back. Relaxed breathing. Exhale, heels down, the inverted V position. Look to the toes. Relaxed breathing. Inhale, right knee down and left foot forward. Arch back, look up. Exhale, right foot forward. Feet are together, stretch your hips upward. Relax, comfortable breath. Inhale, stretch your arms forward and up. Relaxed breathing. Exhale, release your arms down. Comfortable breathing. Feel slightly apart. Slow down your breath. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Feet together. Get ready for the third round. Inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, bend forward and down. Inhale, stretch your right leg back. Retain the breath. Left leg back, push-up position. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Inhale, arch back, cobra position. Exhale, heels down, inverted V. Inhale, right foot forward. Right foot forward, left knee down. Arch back. Exhale, left foot forward, feet are together. Inhale, stretch your arms up, arch back. Exhale, release your arms down. Relaxed breathing. Relax your spine, relax the legs, relax. Get ready for the left stretch. Inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Join your hands. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Upper arms near the ears. Stretch your arms, hands up. Exhale, bend forward and down. Palms on the mat. Inhale, stretch your left leg back. Retain the breath. Right leg back. Push-up position. Body in a straight line. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Cobra position. Inhale, come forward and arch back, head up, chest up. Exhale, inverted V position. Push your heels down. Look to the toes. Inhale, right knee down and left foot forward. Arch back, palms on the mat. Exhale, right foot forward, feet are together. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, release. Feet apart. Slow down your breath. Relax, counter breathing. Shoulders, arms relax. Back of the neck, relax. Spine, relax. Relax. Now join your feet. Stretch your arms forward. Inhaling, come up on your toes. Exhaling, bending your knees and come down, 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 and lie down on your back. Relax in Shavasana. Legs apart, arms apart, eyes closed. Very relaxed and very comfortable breathing. Mind, body, completely relaxed. Relax the toes, relax the feet, relax your legs, relax the spine, relax the back of the neck, relax, relax, relax. Om. Gently legs together, feet together. Stretch your hands, arms up. Stretch your spine up. Stretch your toes, feet down. Stretch, give a complete stretch to the body. Stretch. Exhale, release your arms down. Arms beside the body. Relax. Comfortable breath. Now stretch your toes down. Stretch your toes down. Stretch the toes up. Toes down. Release. Toes down. Release. Stretch the toes down. Release. Stretch the toes down. Release. Stretch the toes opposite the side. Together. Opposite the side. Together. Opposite the side. Together. Now rotate the ankles fast to the right side. Keep on rotating. Now to the left. Breathing comfortably and keep on rotating. Exhale, release. Now stretch your ankles, toes down one by one. Right forward, release. Left forward, release. Keep on stretching forward one by one. Alternative 1, 2, 1, 2. When I say 1, then stretch the right. When I say 2, then stretch the left. Keep on stretching and feel the stretch from the toes, from the calves and knees and the lower back. Feel the stretch. Do it fast, fast. Exhale, release. Shake your legs. Relax, comfortable breath. Keep on shaking your legs and feet. Exhale, release. Now bend your knees. Feet are flat on the mat. Inhale, lift your right leg straight up. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Keep on looking your right toes. Now stretch your toes down and stretch your heel up. Now feel the change. Feel the stretch to your calves, to the knees, and to the back side of your hip. Feel the stretch. Exhale, bend your knee and bring your right foot down. Inhale, stretch your left leg up. Relax breathing. Now stretch the left toes down and stretch your heel, left heel up, and feel the difference between the stretching or without stretching the toes. Exhale, release your left leg down. Inhale, right leg up, right toes down, right heel up. Exhaling down. Inhale, stretch the left leg straight up. Left toes down and left heel stretching upward to the ceiling. Exhaling down. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Now inhaling, lift your right leg up and right foot on the left thigh. Hold the right foot with the left hand and hold the right knee with the right hand. Push your right knee down to the chest. Inhaling up. Exhaling right knee to the chest. Hold it tightly. Inhaling up. Exhaling right knee to the chest. Hold it tightly. Now release your right foot and hold the knees. Hug it tightly to the chest. Hold the right knee to the chest. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Inhale, exhale, head up, chest up. Exhale, release, head down, chest down. Release your hands. Inhaling, lift your right leg straight up. Exhaling comfortably down. Right foot on the mat. Inhale, stretch the left leg up. Exhale, down. Now, left foot on the right side. Hold the left knee. Hug it tightly to the chest. Inhaling up. Exhaling down to the chest. Inhaling up. Exhaling down to the chest. Inhaling up. Exhaling down to the chest. Now hold the left knee tightly. Hug it to the chest. Relax, comfortable breath. Inhale, exhale, head up, chest up. Exhale, chest down. Release your hand. Inhale, lift your left leg straight up. Exhale, left leg, left feet down. Both knees are bent. You get ready for the double leg raising. Arms beside the body or under your neck, interlocking the fingers wherever you feel comfortable. Inhale, lift your both legs straight up, toes down, stretching down. Exhale, feet flat on the mat. Inhale, lift your both legs straight up. Heels are stretching upward, toes stretching down. Exhale, feet flat on the mat. Inhale, feet up. Toes down, heels up. Exhale, feet on the mat. Inhale, Stretch your legs up. Separate your feet. Separate your feet. Join the feet. Separate the feet. Join your feet. Now slowly, comfortably down. Feet are flat on the mat. Release your hands, arms position. Relax, comfortable breathing. Now slowly, gently roll your knees sideways. Relax your spine. Relax the lower back. Keep on rolling your knees gently, slowly. Knees. Roll your knees right to the left, comfortably, slowly. Now both knees touch to the left. Arms stretching sideways. Now knees to the right, head to the left, knees to the left, head to the right. Feel the stretch into your back, into the spine. Exhaling, knees to the right, head to the left. Keep on changing the sides, feeling the twist into the spine and enjoying that twisting very relaxed and comfortably. In the center, bend your knees to the chest, head up, chest up. Hold it tightly. Relaxed breathing. Exhale, head down, chest down. Release your hands. Lift your legs straight up. Exhale, release. Legs apart, arms apart. Eyes closed. Relaxed breathing. Shavasana. Relax. Palms facing upward. Inhale deeply, abdomen up. Exhale, release. Relax. Om. Join your feet. Stretch your arms upward. Stretch your legs, feet, toes down. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, release. Turning to one side. Come up and draw your mat towards the wall. Lie down on your mat. Hips, buttocks very near the wall. Almost touching to the wall. Now stretch your legs up to the wall. Heels are on the wall, resting on the wall. Arms beside your body. Feel yourself completely relaxed. Relaxed breathing. Feet, legs are getting the break from lifting the weight of the body. Completely relaxed. Now separate your knees, separate the feet, and feel yourself relaxed. The inversion position. Blood, more blood coming to the heart. Relaxed breathing. Now join your legs. Step your feet down and join the soles of the feet. Separating the knees. Now flap the knees like the butterfly. Sleeping butterfly. Butterfly on the wall. Flap your knees. Exhale. Release. Again, legs, feet on the wall. Palms on the mat. Inhale. Hips up. Chest up. Feet flat on the wall. Support your back with your hands. Press your feet on the wall. Keep on pressing. This time, effect on the back of the neck. Relax breathing. Shoulders stand. Push your feet on the wall. Relaxed breathing. To release the pose, come down. Release the support. Buttocks, hips on the mat. Now step down. Step your feet down. Feet on the mat. Drag your body upward. Now bend to one side. Come up to the sitting position. Draw your mat to the previous place. Lying on the mat. Feet are flat. Palms, arms beside the body. Inhale. Lift your hips, chest up. Press your palms on the mat. Inhale. Keep on lifting your hips, chest up. Push your feet on the mat. Hold your back. Support your back. Pushing your heels down. The longer, the higher breath. Relax, count your breath. Exhale, release the support, come down. Now, toes, heels near your buttocks. Hold the ankles, right ankle with the right hand, left ankle with the left hand. Inhale, lift your hips, chest up. Push your hips, spine up. Exhale, release. Get ready for the fish pose. Stretch your legs, feet forward. Hide your arms and your palms under the body. Elbows are touching each other. Legs, feet are together. Now inhaling, head up, chest up. Look to the toes. Exhale, drop the crown of the head on the mat. Look back. Push your elbows down. Lift your chest more up. Relaxed breathing. To release the pose, head up, chest up. Again, look to the toes. Exhale. Release your hands and arms. Make the fist. Rotate your fist. Touch the fingers. Exhaling, drop. Relax in Shavasana, legs apart, arms apart, eyes closed. Relax, comfortable breath. Now turn your head to the right, head to the left, again to the right, to the left, in the center. Relaxed breathing. Spine, relax. Shoulders, back of the neck, relax. Chin gently touching to the chest. Feet, relax. Relax. Om. Legs, feet together. Stretch your arms up. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale. Release your hands. Release the arms. Turning to one side. Come up to the sitting position. Comfortable cross-leg sitting position. Stretch your arms forward. Stretch the fingers. Squeeze the fingers. Stretch the fingers up. Squeeze up. Squeeze up. Squeeze up. Now make the fist muthi band. Rotate them downward. Upward. Now rotation of the wrist. Rotation of the arm. Big, big circle. Circles upward. Exhale. Release. Now fingers on the shoulder. Join the elbows. Make the circles. Making the circles rounding. Exhale, release. Stretch your arms forward. Stretch your arms sideways. Stretch your arms up. Forward. Sideways. Up. Forward. Sideways. Up. Forward. Sideways. Up. And release. Relax. Count your breath. Now, comfortable sitting position. Chin down to the chest. Up to the ceiling. Down. Up. Down. Up. In the center. Look to the right. Center. To the left. Center. Right. Center. Left. Center. Relax, comfortable breathing. Now rotation of the neck. First, right side. Forward. Right. Back. Left. Om 2. Om 3. Om 4. In the center. Now to the left. Anti-clockwise. Om 1. Om 2. Om 3. Om 4. In the center. Slow down the breath. Very relaxed, comfortable breathing. Relax your spine. Relax. Now lift your shoulders up to the ear. Shoulders down, up, down, up, down, in the center. Hands on the knees. Rotate the shoulders. Release the tension of your neck, of the shoulders. Relax, comfortable breathing. Exhale, release. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Now stretch your legs forward. Separate your legs. Relaxed breathing. Now comfortably place your hands on the knees and slowly walk your fingers forward as much as you can, bringing your spine forward, coming forward and down. Count forward as much as you can. Spine straight, comfortably relaxed. Look forward. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Now exhaling, come back slowly according to your comfort. Relax. Now bend your right knee, right foot on the left thigh. Stretch your arms sideways. Now hold your left toes with the left hand. Hold the left toes with the left hand and stretch your right arm up. Look to the right hand. Relaxed breathing. Keep on arching yourself to the left. Exhale, release, release the pose. Now change the side. Bend your left knee, left foot on the right thigh. Relaxed breathing. Now stretch your arms sideways. Hold the right foot with the right hand and lift your left arm up and hold the left palm. Relaxed breathing. Relax your spine. Relax your hand. Relax. Exhale. Release. Relax. Comfortable breath. Now stretch your legs forward and arms behind your back. Relax, comfortable breathing. Now head back, arch yourself back and relax comfortably. And if you are comfortable, then lift your hips, chest up. Otherwise, keeping your back, arching your back. Relaxed breathing. Exhale, release the pose, relax. And now lie down on your chest. Relax in Makarasana. Peel off the hands, toes together, knees apart. Look to the right. Relax, comfortable breath. Relax. Oh, joining your feet, forehead on the mat, palms under the shoulders. Relaxed breathing. Inhaling, head up, chest up, arch back, elbows to the ribs, arch back. Relaxed breathing. Exhale, release, head down, chest down. Relax. Relax in Makarasana. This time look to the left, toes together, heels apart. Relaxed breathing. Om. Get ready for the Shalabhasan. Arms under your body, under the hips and thighs, chin on the mat or forehead on the mat. Breathe comfortably. Inhale, lift your right leg straight up. Exhale down. Inhale, lift your left leg straight up. Exhale down. Right leg straight up. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Release. Relax in Makarasana. Pillow of the hands. This time look to the right. Toes are together, heels are apart. Relaxed breathing. Oh, forehead on the mat. Bend your knees. Hold the ankles. Dhanurasana. Feet, knees apart. Forehead on the mat. Relaxed breathing. Inhale. Head up, chest up, knees, hips, eyes up. Inhaling more up, look up. Look to the ceiling. Stretch your hips, thighs up. Exhale, release. Forehead on the mat. Release your ankles, palms underneath the shoulders. Keep your knees apart. Inhale. Head up, chest up. Come up in the tabletop position. Hands are under the shoulder. Knees are under the hips. Relaxed breathing. Now exhaling. Chin down to the chest and round your back. Look to the knees. Relaxed breathing. Inhale, head up, chest up, arch your back. Exhale, chin down to the chest and round your body. Look to the knees. Inhale, arch your back and look up. Arch, look up to the ceiling. Exhaling, release. Comfortable sitting position. Get ready for the half spinal twist. First, relaxed breathing. Spine straight. Shoulders relaxed. Now, right hand on the left knee. Rotate your left arm on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Place the left hand behind your back and look back over the left shoulder. Relax breathing. Arch back. Look back. To release the pose, look forward. Change the side. Left hand on the right knee. Rotate your right arm on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Place the right hand behind your back. Look back. Feel the twist into your spine. Relax breathing. Keep on looking back. To release the pose, look forward. Relax breathing. Now come up on the standing position. Come up on the toes. Inhaling, come up on the toes. Interlock the fingers. Stretch your arms forward. Sorry, upward. Stretch your arms up. Exhale, release. Once again, interlock the fingers. Stretch your arms upward. Come up on the toes. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Release your hands and arms. Once again, stretch your arms up. Stretch arms, hands up. Stretch your spine up. Come up on the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Release your arms. Relax, conquer breathing. And now our favorite standing walk. First slow, 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 slow. Keep on walking. Slightly fast. More fast, fast, fast. According to your comfort. Relaxed breathing. Keep on walking. Exhale, release. Release your walk. Now come forward on the top of the mat. Get ready for the standing forward bend. Padasana. Stretch your arms up. Stretch from the right. Stretch from the left. Stretch. Exhaling. Bend forward. And hold your toes or ankles or knees. Feel yourself comfortably. Stay there. And enjoy the pose completely. No tension. Just relax and comfortable breathing. To release the pose, bang your arms loose. Comfortably, slowly, come up, back, comfortably, stretch up. Feet apart, hands on your back and arch back. Look up. Maintain the balance. Stay there. Exhale, release. Now for the triangle pose. Feet 3-4 feet apart. Right foot to the right side. Left slightly inside. Stretch your arms sideways. Lift your left arm up. Stretch up. Exhaling, bend to the right. Looking to the left armpit. Stay there. Slide your right hand down. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Feel the stretch to the left side. Inhaling up. Change the side. Left foot to the left side. Lift your right arm. Stretch up. Right arm up. Bend to the left. Bend to the left. Stretch your right arm as if someone is pulling your arm. Keep on stretching. Look to the right armpit. Breathing. Inhale. Up. Release the pose. comfortably. Join your feet. Come up on the top of the mat. Stretch your arms forward. Come up on the toes. Slowly, gently come down and lie down on your back. Relax in Shavasana. Legs apart, arms apart, eyes closed, relaxed, comfortable breath. Relaxed, relaxed breathing. Now for the physical relaxation, lift your feet just 6 inches up, stretch the toes, stretch the heels, stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, drop. Inhaling, lift your hips up, up. Exhale, drop. Inhaling, push your lower back on the mat. Push it tightly, tightly, push it tightly. Exhale, release. Lift your chest up. Exhaling, drop. Lift your shoulders to the ears. Shoulders up to the ceiling. Stretch your shoulders down to the feet. Exhale, release. Shrink the facial muscles. Make ugly, lummy, 1 point face. Shrink it tightly. Exhale, release. Now inhaling, stretch out the facial muscles. Open your mouth. Take out the tongue. Open your eyes wide. Open. Exhale, release. Gently head to the right. Head to the left. Once again to the right. To the left. In the center. Now relaxing Shavasana, legs apart, arms apart, eyes closed. Feel in your mind. Relax. Legs together, feet together, stretch your arms up above the head. Give a final stretch to your body. Stretch the spine, stretch the legs, feet, stretch. Exhale, release your arms. Gently turning to one side, right or left, whichever is comfortable to you. Come up to the cross leg sitting position or the final prayer. Back straight, shoulders relaxed, hands on the chin mudra on your knees. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Chant 3 times Om, then concluding prayer together. Om. ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भव अस्तु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ पूर्णमदा पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम बोलो सदगुरु स्वामी शिवानंद महाराज की जय, स्वामी विष्णुदेवानंद महाराज की जय। ओम नमः शिवाय।
सांग ड्रामा भजन रागनी गावे सब कलाकार सुनो। VSPL यूट्यूब चैनल पे रंगों की झनकार सुनो। VSPL यूट्यूब चैनल पे रंगों की झनकार सुनो।
आप देख रहे हैं खबर फास्ट, तेज खबर पैनी नजर।